Hi, welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you another wonderful strategy you can adopt to what to make money for yourself online. Quickly go to your Chrome browser. So I won't consume much of your time. So this is how the platform looks like. We'll be making use of a platform named myrezo.com. What is myrezo.com? Myrezo.com is a platform that enables you to earn points for yourself doing specific cash. So those points could be converted into gift card and what cash. So you can see we have paid our members over $149 million plus. So you can just join this platform and start making money for you. So what is the step? How iRazo works? We give away thousands of dollars of free money every day. Join iRazo, score free cash or gift card just by completing easy tasks. You can say bring along your friends and family to earn even faster. You can say share your points, your opinion, play the honest games, and watch entertaining videos. Everything you do earns points. So this is how the platform looks like. So I'll be showing you how you can join this platform now. Just click on, you can see the top right button at the top right hand corner. Just click on it. Some links are going to pop up. Then click on join button. Why did you set up? So you will need to input your email, first name, last name, password. So after that, since I've already joined in before, so I won't be doing that. So I'll just go back and log in straight to the platform. So you can see this is how the platform looks like. So these are all the activity you need to perform. Such as points by doing survey. You need to take a survey to earn up to 300 points. If you also refer, you will also be given points. So many tasks, and also watch video to earn points. So this platform is very okay to just the size of the platform, just like platform like StarClicks and many other platforms out there. So quickly leverage the merit of this platform now before the competition becomes high again. That's it. So kindly the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop some video just like this. Thanks.